How does a jury decide your Maryland medical malpractice case? Do they make up their own law? Do they bring in their own law? Or is there some other way? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today about how a jury goes about deciding a medical malpractice case. Now, to be able to understand this, you have to understand what is the role of the jury. What is the jury there for in these types of cases? In cases where a jury sits in the box and listens to the case, what the jury is there to do is to listen to the facts. They are there to determine things like credibility of witnesses. Who do they believe? Who do they think is lying? Who may have biases? Juries are looking at all of these things. We generally say the jury is there to decide the facts of the case. Now, as it pertains to the law and what law will be used and applied to the facts, the jury is given the law by the judge. So the judge is there in the case, in your medical malpractice case. The judge will be the one who will explain the law and give the law to the jury to use in your particular case. So the jury will be listening to everything. They will be taking the facts, like I said, who they believe, credibility, biases, things of that nature. They will be taking all of this and they will use that in conjunction with the law that the judge gives them. And that's how they come up with your verdict in your case. Now, this is a very simplistic way of explaining it, but I'm hoping that you get a very good idea and understanding of the process in Maryland. Well, that's it for today's short educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in Maryland. And if you have any questions for me as to whether you are the victim of medical malpractice, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I listen to stories like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to answer your questions. Well, that's it for me today, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.